Hello and welcome to this video, and if you want to have a loading screen like this, make sure to watch the whole video, because in this video I'll be explaining to you how to make a loading screen. Alright, first of all you need a GUI, of course. I prepared. Make sure GUI set to true, like ignore GUI and set enabled false or enable. I enabled it. Alright, so insert a local script into the frame. Alright, first of all, we need this. Then we need some variables. Variables are placeholders if you didn't know. Using this variable, we can get the service starter GUI of the player, which we'll later use to disable, or better to say, make the hotbar or inventory invisible. Alright, local loading. Actually, let's do GUI first, locally first. Make sure this is the half of the screen GUI. Next, the loading bar. Actually, frame. This has to be the path of the frame. This has to be the path of the loading bar. Alright. This has to be the path of the loading text. Alright. If you want to make the inventory invisible, make sure to put this to false. If you want to keep the inventory visible, make sure to set this to this will be the intervals between all the loading sessions, like there will be a 1 second interval in this case. If it's smaller, like 0.1, the whole thing will load in 1 second. This means it will load in 10 seconds. And this is the delay, how long it takes all the GUI gets cleaned away, removed from it. Alright. This will make sure the backpack or the inventory will be invisible or visible depending on settings. Alright. This while true loop will run while the number is while it's not 10. Basically while it's under 10 tick. We'll wait 3 interval. For me 1 second. Alright. Background currency. Like one. Alright. So first we'll do the loading text in this one. You can leave this part out if you don't want to have it. Alright. This will just check if loading has 3 dots. If it does, it will remove all the dots. If it doesn't, it will add a dot. This will check if the number is 90% loaded, and the game is loaded. The loading screen won't finish until the game is loaded. Alright, we have to multiply this number. It really depends. I got a background thing here, like the max size is 0 to 5 for me, scale. It's 0.25 for me. It has to be scale, of course. If you don't know how to convert the offset to scale, use the plugin Autoscale Lite. Click on Unity. Alright. You just put this at assume maximum number divided by 10, alright? This is alright. This will automatically set, so you don't have to set in here. If you want the whole screen to be filled with the loading screen, make sure to set it to 1 frame. Alright. Alright, we can copy this line. Really? Yep. Alright, we are done with this. Not much left to do. We just have to wait. If you don't know why I use path.wait instead of wait, watch the video URL explaining why I'm doing this. It's in the info card, right? You wonder what? Alright. Next thing we will do, queen. Actually, you don't have to put the variable. So we'll be queening out of this to the left. This is why it's -1. The x is minus out to the left. Want to go out to the right, you 1. You want to go down, then you put the y value to 1 or -1. You can copy paste this, put this through, and you are done. Accidentally really get rid of that. Make sure the maximum, the max has to be 0, okay? The x value or the y's value, I don't know how your loading like, has to be 0. Alright, as you can see, loading. Perfect. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, I would be happy if you liked and subscribed, or maybe shared it with your friends and leave a comment. Alright, see you.